Okay, we're going to fill in the empty cells of this table. The thing to notice here is that our domain is the set of all subsets of A, this set here. And f of x, the rule, is that you union x, so x is x is a subset of the set A, and you union it with the set containing 1, and then you find the cardinality of that. All right, so let's start with this spot right here. So f of the set containing 1 is the cardinality of the set containing 1 union with the set containing 1. You see what's going on here? This is the x. This is x. This is this little x right there. Okay, now the union of the set containing 1 and the set containing 1 is just the set containing 1. Cardinality of that set is 1. So you get a 1 there. Now let's look at this one here. Now when we union 1 and 3 together, we get the set containing 1 and 3 that has 2 elements. So we have 2 there. Now let's look at the set containing 1 and 2. So together, unioning those together, we just get the set containing 1 and 2 that has 2 elements. Two, 3. Got 2, 3 there. Now we have 1, 2, 3. The set containing 1, 2, and 3 has 3 elements. Right, now we're going to use the fact that we assume in these problems that each entry in the first column is unique. So that's what will help us figure this out. Okay, so now we need to think, okay, is there any other way we can get, so to figure out this one, right, how many different ways can we get a 2 in the second column? Let's see, what here, union with 1, I should probably make that looks a little straighter, huh? Okay, so what unioned with the set containing 1 gives you 2 elements. Gives you 2 elements there. Well, let's see. We put 1 with 1, that gave us 1 element. We put 3 with 1, and that gave us 2. We put 1, 1, 2 with 1, and that gave us 2. You see what else can go there? Aha! That is right. You are right. So we put a 2 there. So here we have the set containing 2. And we play that same game for this one as well. Let's see, how about 1, 3? Set containing 1 and 3. All right, if you think about that, right, what would happen if we put in 1 and 3 in there? 1 and 3 union with 1 would just be the set containing 1 and 3. That would give you a 2 out there. And then for 3, let's see if you just put the set A right there, you get that. So now we come down to this one here. And you'll notice that there's no way that we could get 0, right? Because they're always putting a set with 1 element into it. So if you put a set with 1 element with something else, you're going to have at least 1 element. And so this does not exist. This does not exist. All right, now the thing to notice I would like you to see is that, notice that this column is not, this column is not exhaustive. It's not all of the power set of A. Okay, and that's the way all tables, or maybe not all tables, but a large amount of tables that you've used were not exhaustive. The ones you used in calculus were not exhaustive, because calculus, there's real numbers, there's infinitely many things. So when you have infinitely many things in the domain, it's impossible for it to be exhaustive. And so, or to have everything in the domain. So don't expect these to all have everything in the domain. Some will, some won't. All right, thank you.